IT systems in the healthcare industry and the management of those systems involves navigating complex industry and government regulations, cybersecurity standards, and HIPAA compliance. IT Pros Management has decades of experience managing IT for hospitals, clinics, labs, nursing and residential care facilities, pharmaceutical companies, and more. We understand your commitment to keeping your patients and their data safe, and we develop tailored IT solutions to help you honor those commitments. Also, IT Pros Management is HIPAA compliant, so you can trust that our IT support will keep your organization from running afoul of government regulations. IT Pros Management has extensive experience working with medical software, such as Halogen, Experity EMR, TheraOffice, ZirMed, Athena, MediTouch, and many more. We understand that your staff requires up-to-date and reliable data to make the best possible decisions about treatment, and we build up your IT environment with their job performance in mind. With our knowledge of the medical industry, we can help you transfer information securely, bill accurately, and achieve greater operational efficiency. Technology should save you time and allow you to provide even better care. IT Pros Management can take care of your technology so you can devote more time and energy to your vital business functions. And with our transparent and predictable billing, you can rest easy knowing that your IT is an asset, not a cost. So if you're ready to stop stressing about IT and instead focus on growing your healthcare organization, contact us today. We're here to help. And relax, IT is covered.